So guys, we are going to be making potato cake. So watch us for this amazing potato cake recipe full with filling and so much ingredients. So let's first start with peeling the potato and stir fry it. So we are going to be peeling the potato now. This potato has already washed, so I need to peel off the skin. So we just finish peeling it. So we are going to slice it with our potato slicer. So we are going to we are using this, you need to be very careful. So I want which one. Finish peeling them, slicing them. So we are going to stir fry it now. So I'm going to sprinkle a pinch of salt on top. Mix it together. So guys, everything is ready. Here we go. So we have cheese, we have the prepared meat, then we also have the potato that is fried. So we are going to first of all arrange the potato into our pan like this. We're going to arrange it thoroughly. We're going to make sure that they are well arranged. So I slice them like this so that they can be able to stick together and they can be able to come together. We are going to add our cheese first. Come. I'm going to use it and cover it. So guys, after this we are going to go in with egg and we are going to put it in the oven and allow it to bake. We're cutting our egg. portioner. With a little bit of cheese again. Okay. It's inside. It's already yet. I'm going to transfer it from here. So guys, how you guys doing? So this is me, Lulu's Kitchen. If you have been curious to see my face, this is my face. No filter, nothing. So am I beautiful? So we have been baking sis. As you can see in this video, we have been baking. So we are about to test what we bake. So this is potato and grated meat, and we also have egg inside. So it's called potato cake. So we are going to test it. So let's see. So this is it. Wow. Guys, I don't know how I will explain this to you guys, but trust me, this tastes so amazing. Please don't forget to follow me on my Facebook page at Lulu's Kitchen. Don't also forget to follow me on my YouTube channel at Lulu's Kitchen. As you can see, we bake, we cook, we do everything in this channel. We even vlog sometimes. So what are you waiting for? Follow, like, subscribe, and always give me some thumbs up on my YouTube channel, on my Facebook page, and my Instagram. So guys, what are you waiting for? Follow now, run, follow Lulu's Kitchen, because we bake, we eat, we enjoy. So guys, see you guys in my next video. Remain blessed and stay tuned. Bye.